In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your payment method on Uber Eats. If your card has expired, you switched banks, or you want to use a different service, you can make the change quickly and keep your orders running smoothly. Start by opening the Uber Eats app on your phone. From the home screen, go to Account. Then choose Wallet or Payment. Depending on your app version or region, you might see one name or the other, but both take you to the same place. Here, you'll see your current payment methods listed so you can review what's already on file. To add or edit a payment method, look for Add Payment Method. Choose debit or credit card to enter a new card. Type in the card number, expiration date, security code, and billing zip or postal code, then save. If available in your area, you can also link PayPal or Venmo. Select the option, follow the on-screen prompts, and confirm the connection. A quick tip, make sure the billing details you enter match what your bank has on file. Mismatches are a common reason for declines or verification errors. If you just need to update an existing card, like correcting an expiration date, tap the card from your list, make your changes, and save. This is handy when the physical card number hasn't changed, but the expiration date has. If there are payment methods you no longer use, open the one you want to remove and choose Remove or Delete. Cleaning up old cards reduces checkout errors and keeps your wallet organized. After you've added the new option, set your preferred payment method so it's used automatically. Tap the method you want and select Set as default. With a default set, Uber Eats will automatically use it during checkout, which saves time and helps prevent accidental charges to an old card. You can still switch to another saved method at checkout if you ever need to. If you run into trouble adding a card, double check the number, expiration date, and security code, and confirm the billing address exactly matches your bank statement. Updating the app to the latest version can also fix most hiccups. That's it. Open Uber Eats, go to Account, then Wallet or Payment, add or edit what you need, remove anything outdated, and set your default so your next order is seamless. Thanks for watching.